Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Tango with Google. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Tango application. From the main sign in or login page, tap on Continue with Google. To sign in with Google, you will first need to have a Google account. If you don't, make sure you do first. In the pop-up, tap on Continue, which will then take you to accounts.google.com, where you can choose a Google account to continue logging in, or if you want to use a different account, tap on Use another account. Now, enter your email or phone number for your Google account in the text box and tap Next. On the next page, type in your Google account's password and tap Next. Once you are done with it, allow signing in to Tango Live by tapping the Continue button, and you will then be able to sign in to Tango with Google. So that is how it's easily done. All you need is your Google account and its credentials. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.